Now I have my milk all drink, and I have my espresso ready to be brewed. I'm going to take my cup that we're going to assemble the drink into, and for a 14-ounce cup, I'm going to do 3 pumps of vanilla, and I'm going to place the cup under both spouts, portafilter here, and begin brewing the espresso into the cup. Now I have my 2 shots in the cup over the vanilla syrup, the bottom of the cup here. I'm ready to pour my drink. I'm going to swirl around the milk in the pitcher just to kind of even out the texture of the milk. Go ahead and pour it. Double vanilla latte.